running an agency is a headache. Being a solopreneur,
Yeah, I
running an
think
agency.
that as you go through this kind of journey, it's like even through the way that you just laid that out. I think that uh, what when you're finding something, you immediately go, "Hey, who else can I share this to?" And I think that that's not something that's normal for everyone in our society. It's starting to become normal.
Yeah,
And my question would be that because I think you went pretty quick into it and I've gotten
I
to know
did.
you, so I'm
Yeah.
going to pull back just a little bit.
Yeah, do it, please. Just stop. Hard pause me. Hard stop me when you
Dude,
need to.
you're such a good talker. Like you could lay it out. And I think that, where is that place? Because I think that, I think we should also, you've now gone on, because the question I'm going to ask is give you some really good validity. You've gone on to be a success coach for over 500 clients that have gone through and work them through a system to be able to use an ideology of what you're just talking about right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
So let me just stamp that for everyone when we go into this next conversation.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm claiming you as a badass. I got to make sure they do too. So in that sense, where does that journey hit when we talk about the alchemy story that you have found where they come in, like you had said earlier, because I think I can parlay this. Let's see if I can do it. I came into the military and I didn't have to be sold. Really, what you were telling me is I was ready to be coached. I was ready to be served in the military and I had all these boxes checked. And when I went in and they said, "Hey, here's your $10,000 bonus," you're like, it didn't even matter. I already took the job.
Yeah,
My question is, as you've now seen through people and work with people and they are doing this type of thing and they're growing their audience and they want to sell to them, where in that alchemy story are you finding that people should go, I got to be right there? And I know it's the place of interaction. I know that the common sense, but maybe on a deeper level, because I think that's where people really get stuck.
absolutely. I mean, yeah, the mind is such a wonderful thing to have, but it can also eat itself alive because there's so many different things that are keeping people, self-doubt, imposter
Mm-hmm.
syndrome. And it goes back to the elementary, mindset kind of things. You got to have a mindset. You got to be confident in yourself. And I think that was the key factor, X factor, I would call it, in terms of what allowed me to get to say I'm all in, because you have to sell yourself. And if you're not confident in yourself and the ability to just jump and say I'm going to be successful regardless of what happens, I think that's where working with certain clients, over 400 or 500 of them, those are the moments, right? Helping them become confident. But a lot of that is just answering some of the uncertainties that they don't know because they've never been
Mm.
down this path before. And so for me, I didn't care for the uncertainty. I was willing to take on any challenge. And I had that mindset of it doesn't matter what the road is, it doesn't matter what I have to do. I'm going to find a way to either run through it and break my nose doing it or find a sneaky way around it. It may take longer, right? A better way of doing it.